Actually, we're at the very first exhibition called Lightwave, approximately a year ago and 1 week.
No, 10 years.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I was here 10 years ago, can't believe it now, on the opening night. I remember the queues for Science Gallery were around the block. The anticipation when we were letting people in, what would people think, would it work?
People are going around with huge smiles on their faces, and it's been an excellent evening.
It was brilliant, and it's so good to see it here still, 10 years later.
My personal favourite thing about this Science Gallery is that they let me do things that no one else let me. I can show here works that many other places wouldn't show. I really hope they will maintain this kind of juvenile spirit they have.
It's mind-blowing. Usually a new organization, it takes 10 years just to,
Just to smell the coffee.
Exactly. And Science Gallery in 10 years, it has an international network, and it's just mind-blowing.
I have always had so much fun in Science Gallery. Before a Science Gallery, I didn't imagine any way that I could be involved in what people now call science and engagement and public engagement.
I make things in the studio, and it's really important for me that they live in the world. They're often fantastically complex, prone to breakage, and the technical staff, the mediators, maintain the work and maintain the context of the work. And to me, that's incredibly important.
One of the things I like most about Science Gallery is that it still always manages to surprise me. It's the hub, it's where you find the people you want to work with, it's where people find you.
I think it's a miracle that the very modest crew that are here and the relatively modest resources that are here has been able to accommodate such important shows and so many important shows over these 10 years.
I feel like Science Gallery has their foot in a lot of global spaces that go far beyond Dublin, and I find that really exciting.
I suppose my favourite thing about Science Gallery Dublin is the people. The exhibitions and the ideas are also amazing, but it's always people behind them.
I've left with lifelong friendships with the most quirky, intelligent, creative set of people, and with the most diverse set of skills that I never knew I had until I left.
It's a playground. I had such a huge kind of opportunity to explore and develop myself as a designer.
What I love about working with the Science Gallery is that they just have such a brave program, and they're not scared to take on large, challenging projects. My favourite part of the performance was walking underneath the fire. I've never done that before, and it was magical.